So the key question is how to get a business credit card without a business. And in today's conversation, I'm going to answer this question in easy, everyday English. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. How are you doing today? I hope you are doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous, if you were to ask me. If you are doing as superb as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka and let's roll. In today's convo, I want to talk to you about how to get a business credit card without a business. And the thing here is that business credit cards often come with bigger bonuses and more rewards, all at a lower cost, right? And they even have higher limits. They also help you separate your finances. So you are actually segregating your personal finances from your business finances. And the best part, you don't have to own a big business to get one. Let's talk about what you need to do actually to get a business credit card and how to apply for one, as well as some of the best business credit cards on the market and why they might be a perfect fit for your wallet. First, I want to talk to you about I want to give you an overview of business credit cards. It's kind of important to have a bird's eye view of what we're talking about here. What are business credit cards? While you don't have to run a company to get one, business credit cards are credit cards specifically geared toward business owners and people who have business expenses. This is very important. The two criteria: business owners and people who have business expenses. So those cards are meant to be used for business rather than personal purchases, which can be anything from small expenses for your side hustle to financing your startup idea. The reward scheme on business credit cards often reflects this purpose. So they may offer extra rewards and bonus points for business-related purchases, which can be anything from printing services to office supplies to advertising fees. And some also offer bonuses on dining and travel, as those are common business purchases. So do business credit cards affect your personal credit? They don't always show up on your personal credit history. Instead, they go on your business credit history. All right. This means that they will not affect your personal credit score at all. However, while some credit card issuers don't report business credit card activity to consumer credit bureaus, others do. So this means what? It means that their business credit cards, those issuers will have business credit cards that would affect your credit score in the same way as any other credit card would. So if you hold a business credit card with Discover or a Capital One, for example, it will affect your personal score. So with most other issuers, your business activity will not affect your personal credit score unless your account is serious. It's kind of like severely delinquent. So let me give you the eligibility criteria for business credit cards. This is kind of important because in earnest, what qualifies as a business when it comes to business credit cards? Because that's the basic question, the fundamental question here. There are many activities that can count as a business when applying for a business credit card. Obviously, owning a business is one of them, right? If you own a legit business, that's one of them. But so are self-employment, side hustles, freelancing, and even many hobbies. So pretty much any income producing hobby you have could be considered a legitimate business, provided you are doing something to earn money. You are doing something. That's the key word here. You have to do something to earn money. Here is a list of examples that qualify as a business. So running a dog walking business in your neighborhood, buying and selling on eBay, working as a virtual assistant or an independent contractor, driving for a rideshare app such as Uber or Lyft, delivering food with app-based companies like DoorDash or Grubhub, tutoring kids in person or online, buying and selling antiques, independent consulting work, selling homemade items on Etsy.com or Facebook Marketplace, selling services on a freelancer website such as Fiverr, Upwork, or a freelancer, selling crafts on Etsy or at fairs, selling baked good at the farmers market in your community, babysitting. So what I'm trying to say here is that essentially anything you do for profit can be considered a business as long as it is legit and legal. And even if you haven't started making money yet, you can still apply for a business credit card as long as you intend to start a profit generating activity. So what I just gave you are just some of the examples that can help you qualify for a business credit card, but there are plenty of others, okay? The point is that pretty much anytime you are pursuing income on the side, you can actually use that activity, that process to qualify as a business, at least when it comes to qualifying for a business credit card, because the rules for when it comes to the IRS are totally different. What are the benefits? What are the benefits of using business credit cards? I know I was just telling you earlier that the goal of today's show is to help you get a business credit card without a business. And there are some benefits why you want to pursue this route. First, you have bigger sign-up bonuses. You have lower annual fees. You have new bonus spending categories. You can double the rewards. You can separate your finances. As I was saying earlier, you can segregate your financial life, your personal financial life from your business financial life. You have the data. Any records will not go on your personal credit report, and it's a way to build your business credit score. You could actually, why get a business credit card instead of a personal credit card? And one of the things that I want to really emphasize here is the rewards. You could earn rewards on business related spending. Chances are good that you have some business related expenses you could be earning travel rewards or cash back on. So for example, as an Uber or Lyft driver, you cover your own gas and maintenance and repairs on your car, right? So if you're selling crafts on Etsy, you have supplies to purchase. So not only can you earn rewards on regular spending with a business credit card, but you could also earn a big sign-up bonus by meeting a minimum spending requirements within the first few months of account opening. You can also build your business credit score. This is very important, and I want to spend some time on this. With a business credit card, you can build your business credit score. So while your personal credit score is considered when you apply for a business credit card, you also have a separate business credit score. And business credit card reports your credit movements to the commercial credit bureaus, which can help you improve your business credit score over time. You also have, you want to get a business credit card instead of a personal credit card because of the business perks. So many of the top cards for business offer different perks that you will not see with personal cards. For example, the Inc. Business Preferred credit card gives cardholders cell phone insurance when they use their credit card to pay their bill. The Business Platinum card from American Express, on the other hand, can help you qualify for a credit up to $200 toward Dell computers along with other perks. So this is just, again, a few examples here. There are plenty more. Okay, I'll be right back, but after this, don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another section of the Awesome Sweaty Kiwi Show. We are still having a conversation about how to get a business credit card without a business. Now, let me just talk to you about getting actually a business credit card with no business. What are the steps? What can you do here? How do you apply for that kind of card? So first things first, you don't have to have a traditional business or own a major corporation to get approved for a business credit card. You just need to be earning some money independently, which is pretty common in today's gig economy, right? If you don't have an employer identification number for your side gig, you can even apply for a business credit card as a sole proprietor. Here is what you need to know to apply for a business credit card. So if you have a corporation or a registered LLC, you can apply using that information. However, if you don't have an LLC, you can apply as a sole proprietor using your social security number, which is what most freelancers and people with side hustles do anyway. Okay. And if you are applying for, if you're applying as an LLC or registered corporation, go ahead and include your legal business name and employer identification number, or EIN. Okay, and you also need to explain the type of business you are starting or running, what industry it's in, and what your role is. You need to state how long you've been in business and estimate your annual revenue. The cool thing here is that you don't need to be generating a lot of money. In fact, if your business is brand new, you can put 0 for your annual revenue. And the credit card issuers also require some specific information. So you want to put, so besides your annual business income, you want to put the length of your business since inception, your role in the company, how many employees, this is very important, how many employees you have, if any, your business address, even if it's your home address, they don't care, they just want to have an address, your business phone number, even if it's your personal phone, okay? And one thing you need to keep in mind is that it is possible that after you apply, you will need to mail in some supporting information to prove you have a business. This may include information from the Internal Revenue Service that proves your tax ID number, or perhaps income information. You may also be approved automatically without any questions at all. However, you want to be sure that you have all the paperwork ready. One thing I want to talk to you here, I want to give you a few credit cards. I want to talk about the top business credit cards. So the credit cards you can get without a business. And there is a range of different options out there. So make sure you pick the best business credit cards for your needs. So you need to think about what really matters for you. You have to think about travel versus cashback business credit cards. So you want to decide whether you prefer to earn cashback rewards or travel rewards in the form of points or miles. Cashback is great, don't get me wrong. It's a simple option for people who want rewards that are easy to redeem and they don't travel often. However, if you do travel frequently, you might be able to squeeze more value out of a travel credit card, as long as you learn how to use how to actually score high value redemptions. You also have to think about flat rate rewards versus bonus categories. Okay, so flat rate rewards means that you get the same cashback or points rate for all purchases. This can mean 2% cashback on all purchases or 2 points per dollar spent on all purchases. If you go with a rewards credit card that has bonus categories, you'll only get 1% cashback or 1 point on regular purchases, but you'll get a higher rewards rate on purchases in specific bonus categories. Okay, this is very important. So with business credit cards, these bonus categories are often related to business expenses. I'm talking about travel, advertising, phone, and internet bills. And you also have to think about business credit cards with no annual fee, business credit cards with a big sign-up bonuses. And so those are the things you have to think about, because let me give you an example with the sign-up bonuses. A big perk of getting approved for a business credit card is the chance to qualify for a sign-up bonus, as business credit cards tend to come with some of the best credit card sign-up bonuses out there. So while this shouldn't be the only criterion you need to consider, a generous welcome bonus is certainly a tempting offer, right? So as long as you have good credit, it is not difficult to get a business credit card even if you don't own a big business. So often those credit cards offer even better perks and rewards than personal credit cards. Just make sure that you are truthful in your credit card application. Very important. Now, so some of the top business credit cards that we have reviewed on this show include the Inc. Business Preferred Credit Card. We're showing it right now on the screen. The Inc. Business Cash Credit Cards. The Inc. Business Unlimited Credit Card. The Business Platinum Card from American Express. The Southwest Rapid Rewards Performance Business Credit Card. The Alaska Airlines Visa Business Credit Cards. And others. Okay. And there are other key considerations you have to think about. And I want you to think tip here. The first question is, can you get a business card without business income? And this is a question that we have received several times. And it really, unfortunately, the answer is not a straightforward one. Every bank has a different set of criteria, and business income is just one of several criteria they look at. And many business credit cards are personally guaranteed, meaning the bank will look at both your personal and business income combined. They will also look at your personal credit history. So if you have a good credit score and other income besides your small business, you'll have a better chance of being approved. Something to keep in mind. Okay. So ultimately, the bank has the final say in whether you will be approved, and every lender or card issuer has different approval criteria. And what is a business credit score, and can you check yours now? We have actually covered this topic in another show, really in Atlanta. Just want to check out that show. All I want to say is that your business credit report and score is based on a separate credit file than your personal credit report and score, and it has different sources of information, including data from vendors. So while your personal credit information is tied to your social, your business credit report and score is tied to your employer identification number or tax ID number. Okay, so if you have applied for a business card in the past or have been a business owner for a number of years, it's worth keeping track of your business credit. And one question that we also get a lot of time is how do you build business credit? Again, we have covered this already on another show, so I'm not going to go in depth here, but I just want to say that building business credit is similar to building personal credit. So you want to start slow, you want to be responsible, you want to be credit worthy, and you will build a solid credit history based on things like your banking history, your business revenue, your payment history, your payment network. So your interactions vis-a-vis the lenders, vis-a-vis your suppliers, vis-a-vis your customers, all of this will show up on your business credit report. All right, folks, this is it for today's conversation. I was having a quick conversation with you about how to get a business card without a business. And I gave you an overview of business credit cards, the eligibility criteria for business credit cards, the benefits of using business credit cards, getting a business credit card with no business, the top business credit cards, and other key considerations. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. But until next time, remember, stay marvelous.